What's up, travelers? It feels like ages since I last did a flight review, but I'm happy that I'm back in the skies to share my journey with you. Today I'm in Frankfurt, Germany, where I'll be flying back home to Los Angeles, California on Lufthansa Business Class. Originally, I flew from Cairo, Egypt into Frankfurt around 5 a.m. in the morning, and once I landed, it felt like a ghost town. I decided to go into a business class lounge as everything was closed outside and I couldn't even find something to eat. The plane I'm flying on is an A350 and the business class seat is in configuration in a 222. It has a collapsible section to put your tablet or ebook reader in front of the monitor, and on the bottom there's another compartment where the leather amenity kit, which consisted of a toothbrush, toothpaste, some socks, and an eye mask, is located. On the bottom middle divider is two power outlets to power your small electronics. Unfortunately, there is no USB port to power your electronics without a wall charger. On the side of my seat was an AKG noise cancelling headphones to use with my monitor. However, I did not check it for noise quality because I had my Bose headphones with me. The plane was equipped with Wi-Fi, but I did not purchase any plans to evaluate the speed and connection and to see if there was any spotty connections throughout the flight. Their cheapest plan did consist of the following, which was $8 for 2,300 miles, and the speed was limited to 64 kilobits per second. The onboard entertainment system had the latest Hollywood blockbusters and foreign films. However, the interface was slightly sluggish when trying to navigate through the menus or selecting the movie. I didn't have any issues whatsoever once the movie started playing, and I thoroughly enjoyed the selections that they offered. Shortly after takeoff, I was given some warm nuts and I decided to go with some champagne because I wanted to celebrate my first flight of the new year. For the appetizer, I chose the pea mash with king oyster mushroom, artichoke, parmesan cheese, and olives. And for the main course selection, I went with the ricotta cannoli, which was absolutely delicious and very creamy. Alright guys, this is what the bathroom looks like here. There's not really much. You have kind of stuff where you would normally have your facial mist, things like that. The only thing you really have is this lotion. And yeah, cups, paper towels here, and then facial towels here as well. And got a nice little wooden finish, but other than that, that's pretty much what business class bathroom looks like for you guys. During the flight, I got up to use the lavatory and they had some snacks available. There were gummy bears, some chocolate, oranges, and water that was offered. I was surprised though that the flight crew didn't bother to cover the drinks with the lid as a sanitary precaution. Because I was flying into LAX around 4 p.m., I was not offered a traditional breakfast menu per se, so I went with the masala and steamed rice, and it was cooked very well. Overall, I was pleasantly surprised with Lufthansa's business class. The flight crew was very friendly and the food service was really good. They did provide the best service they could, even with the COVID restrictions in place on the plane. And if you guys enjoy this video, give me a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more future flight reviews and travel tips.